Hi everyone, my name is Disha. I'm a full-time commercial illustrator and artist working with clients in editorial and packaging industries. And welcome to my class, Mastering Watercolors in Procreate. I've been working with watercolors and Procreate for several years, and I've always used Procreate just to make sketches or maybe refine my traditional paintings, but I never painted my projects in Procreate itself. And a few months ago, I just took the plunge and started painting fully digitally in Procreate, and that too with watercolor brushes. And I was so amazed to see the results. In this class, I'm really excited to share with you how you can paint realistic watercolor botanicals in Procreate. We'll just start from the basics, from downloading the resources, getting to know the brushes, and then paint our final project. And by the end of this class, you'll be able to paint this beautiful, yummy strawberry illustration using some custom watercolor brushes, and it actually looks like a traditional painting. This class is perfect for anyone who has a basic understanding of Procreate, but if you're a beginner in Procreate, not to worry, because we are just going to use very straightforward steps and very basic tools, so feel free to join the class. I'll guide you through each step of the process, providing tips and tricks to help you achieve the best results. So what are you waiting for? Let's grab your iPad, your Apple Pencil, and let's get started on this creative journey together. See you in the class.